Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and we love helping the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. In today's video, I'm here to announce our latest social giveaway. This time, we're excited to be working with our friends at Goulet Pins and Clegg Leatherworks. The grand prize, valued at over $2,000, includes an incredible Visconti Homo Sapiens fountain pen, Clegg alligator travel pen case, and several great accessories from Kirby Allison's Hanger Project. To enter our social giveaway, you must first visit the contest page at hangerproject.com/giveaway. You can click the link in the top right corner of this video to visit that page, or you can find the link in the bottom description of this video. Once you land on our contest entry page, there are 6 different ways to enter. The more ways you enter, the better your chances are of winning. And finally, as bonus, the 6th way to enter is by referring friends to join our giveaway through a unique URL. Each referral gives you 3 extra entries, so if you refer 5 friends, you can receive 15 extra entries. The winner of this contest will receive an incredible grand prize that is worth over $2,000, including some of the finest writing and travel accessories in the world. From us here at Kirby Allison Hanger Project, we're offering a double-sided ebony garment brush, a luxury travel umbrella from Maglia Francesco, and a $250 gift certificate for you to use on hangers, shoe polish, or any other accessory for the well-dressed that we offer here. Clegg made exclusively for this contest a beautiful alligator double pen case. And last but not least is an incredible fountain pen kit from Goulet Pins. Here to tell you more about this is my friend Brian Goulet.
Thanks, Kirby. You know, a finely crafted fountain pen is one of the best ways for the well-dressed to complement their wardrobe. We had the pleasure of being in this contest for the 2nd year with the Hanger Project. And this time we're offering a Visconti Homo Sapiens Bronze Age fountain pen, which is made out of basaltic lava from Mount Etna in Italy. We're pairing it with a bottle of Bordeaux ink and a Visconti traveling inkwell. And these are a perfect pairing for any well-dressed traveler on the go. This is one of my favorite fountain pens of all the ones I have, and I carry it with me almost every day. Good luck to you all, and back to you, Kirby.
Thanks, Brian. The final day to enter this contest is Monday, June 17th. One lucky winner will be randomly selected and will be contacted via email. Remember, the more entry methods you complete, the higher your chances are of winning this fantastic prize. I'm Kirby Allison. Thanks for joining us, and good luck.
Thank you.